Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Come in, ma. So next I'll go for the another topic we are entering into. Before entering into the further, today I would like to tell you about compared to the previous one, and I want to tell you some new feature in pandas. That is a categorical data type. Data types means generally what we'll do. Data types means generally what we'll do. 14 data types, right? That are there in Python. And we are going to have the new data type which is newly added to pandas. That is a category. Spell out category. So in my class, how many category of students are there? How many students are there in my class? For example, how many students are there in my class? At present, we have what 308 students. They will go on joining, plus almost 250 students here. So totally how much? Almost 500 plus is there now, as on now at 9:21. So in that, how many categories of students are there? Good. What are those? Male and female. So here, if I take all 500 students, student name, gender. If I go on writing again and again, male will take memory space, female will take memory space again and again or not? Is it not waste of memory space? Is it not analysis storage will take more amount of space? So how can I overcome that? So how many memory spaces I need to take? Two memory spaces. One is male and one more is female. That type of allocation is called what? Category data type. In real time, country code you take it. Country code. For the total population of India, country code remains same. 91 for India. That is called what? Category data type. India for the total population is what? One category. China is a category for China people. USA is a category data type for that kind of population mentioned. Are you following? States in the country are called what? Categories. Are you following? If you take the population of Telangana and AP, every time I don't want to write citizen name adjacent AP, TS, APTS, 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 I don't want to write. So if I go on writing APTS for 10 crores of people of combined state, is it not waste of memory space? So how many times I want to create the memory space? Come on. 2 times. AP category, TS category. One time and one time. Breakfast over or not? Yesterday, when I said good morning, you said very powerful. Today, something problem, huh? When heat is coming and you become dull or senior citizens, huh? Huh? Sorry, okay. Comfortable, huh? Yesterday activeness, today is something less. Active, huh? But we are saying categories means only one time we are saying. You take Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India. In electoral list, how many categories of people are there? Come on. How many? 3 or 2? 3. Number 1, male, female, transgenders. So this is 3 categories. For every time I don't want to write same thing again and again for many of the people. That will be written how many times? 3 times. So male, female, transgender are called list of values. What is the D type is equal to? Category. 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 Spelling also, if you write wrong, we cannot do anything else. So we will go for, this is the aim of this. To save the memory space, we will go for what? Category data type. Compulsory question. Because very recently, one of my student appeared for this. This time only I am teaching that area. One student has attended one Bangalore-based company. Of course, he was my student of 4 years back. He was done Python with me. And in the Corona time, he was there as a part of my classes. And there he got yesterday that question. Yesterday afternoon, he called me, sir, what is the category data type? So I searched in Panda's new documentation. It was available. It is recently added. So that also we must know about it. That time it was not there. We did not taught and we have to learn about it. Shall we go for now? Let us take Usharani. Sir, your voice is not audible to me. See ma, re-log in once. Is it happens with other students? Is it, I hope it is okay, clear now. It is clear. Now it is clear. Now I will go to the further. Let us go to the students. Now I'm going to introduce. Of course, it is taking some few minutes. Let me talk about the complete category data type. What are the D type? Right. What are the general D types we are writing? Int, float, bool. Like that we are writing or not? Int will have one function or not? What is the function? Int of. Float will have the function or not? What is that? Float of, bool of, str of. Like that we have or not? Category also will have what? Data type. What is that? Category of is not correct. Categorical. Spell out. Categorical. So try to remember. That is very important. Now I prepared a very good documentation for you. And in our own style, we prepared that. Try to follow. Let us go for examples on category data type in pandas. Data type in pandas. Let us go to the category data type in pandas. Now I'm going to take up S is equal to now I'm taking, of course, I will go for import what? Pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Now I'm going to take take something like, now I'm writing like this. But I'm going to take it is equal to, S is equal to, I'm going to take it. Simple example, PD dot, I'm applying on where? Series also you can apply. Take an example of, here I'm writing, I'm taking some values here. What are the values I'm taking? Something like Python. Python I am taking. Next is called Java I am taking. Next I am taking Python again. Again I am taking Python here. Again I am taking Python here. Again I am taking what? Java here. Again I am taking what data science I am taking. Again I am taking data science. Again I am taking data science. This is my values. How many values are there here? Come on, guys. Print of what? Yes, comma, type of what? Yes. So here I am writing print number of values. Number of values in which object? Series object is equal to len of what? Yes. This is my data. Number of values in this is called 7. So indirectly they are taking what? 7 memory spaces are taken, correct? So instead of taking 7 memory spaces and wasting my memory space, I will go for what? I will go to the apply which data type now? Yes, apply category data type. Category data type. So there I'm going to take up here. This part you have written. Now I'm writing already, D type is equal to write what? Category. You write category. Now, how many categories are there? How many categories are there? 3 categories are there. Now, be careful. Try to follow. Now, I'm going to write it. len of yes. How many values are there? 7 values are there, but they are classified into what? Look at. Number of values are 7 only. Total population in India will not give 3. Total population will come, but in that they made groups. Understand that? Come on now. Categories. Come on, what is that? 3. What is the type? Object type. What are the categories? DSC, Java, Python. This is called what object? Series object. And categories are by default what? Sorted also. This is by default sorted. This is called a logical order. What is order? That means internally what values are considered? Unicode values are considered. Capital D, J, and then P. D is coming first or not? Like that. It is by default sorted. Are you able to follow? Sir, I don't want to maintain not this order. You want to maintain your own order of categories. You can also maintain. That's what I'm going to. How to remove the category, how to add the category, you take it. Reservations, you take it. In our government of India, when they develop the portal, reservations are there or not? OBC, OC, like that some reservations are there or not? For the total population, reservation will be writing each and every time. When they write each and every time, how much time the memory space will take? Come on, students. OBC will be writing every time for the entire population who belongs to. But that OBC memory space will take how many times? One time only. But for every person category will write or not? OBC, OC, OBC, OBC, OC, like that you will write or not? EWS, something like that people will write or not? But that OBC, EWS, OC will take how much memory space? One time only that value will be taken, not each and every time. I hope you are understanding. The main importance of introducing category data type is to save the memory space for some fixed constant values. Are you following? Like a product codes and all those things. This is the one we are having like this. Now, I will go for showing some small documentation so that I can make it little bit faster. And deeply, I prepared one documentation. I hope you are understanding the data type called category. Here, each and every value is separately taken. Here, the values are taken as what? Something like this. By default, it is ordered. Now, I have a small discussion with you people. I prepared a small documentation. Instead of explaining that, I will show you here. In data frame, category data type is available. So somewhere else there is a pandas category data type. Let us follow some small description also I gave it. All of you read and then start. Often in real time, data includes text columns. Text columns means what? Like OBC category, like a gender category, like a state category, like a district category. These are all under one district. Lot of people are there or not? One district, lot of people are there. Stand up. Yesterday also sleeping, today also sleeping. Go there, stand up. Yesterday, no, go there, stand up. Go to the desk. Come on, go fast. Morning also one student is sleeping. That is my punishment. Go there, fast. Move the chair first. Unable to move the chair also. Stand up on the desk. On the desk. Look at them. Anybody sleeping, you just find out. Search. Go. No? Will you sleep? Sit down. Tirumalesh is very good. You don't make him to sleep. So here, category students, sleeping students, listening students, like that. Actually, I have to make you to stand there. Every day sleeping. I am observing last 3 days onwards. Yesterday, you cannot bring it. I cannot bring it. I am what I observed it. I believe it. That's all. Take care. Okay. Today you I've seen. Tomorrow also you will compulsory sleep. Okay now? Tomorrow I'm telling about tomorrow. Yesterday you cannot bring it, I cannot bring it. And no witness for it. Today I've seen it. Tomorrow compulsory you will sleep. Bet 100%. Will you give guarantee? Tomorrow. You'll give guarantee. Okay, we'll see. We'll see that. Now, let us watch it. It's my time waste. So, Satya Gopal. So, don't understand why Nidra Devi will object, will like this for students. I will tell the answer for Satya Gopal. Nidra Devi is saying, and comparing with the girls' names, and that is what I feel. Nidra Satya Gopal is not a Nidra Devi, there is a Nidra boy. He's a Nidra boy. So, see, I believe girls are alternative name for something I cannot express. That's why I never say anything to girls because they are sincere. I believe it. You don't make sounds. I don't like it. Follow me. Really, students. When I believe means almost correct. Maybe it is something different. I don't know, but I did not see that and try to follow. Satya Gopal, come to the point. Now I'm going to say, actually, I can make you to give a punishment in such a way that you cannot sleep at all. In night time also you cannot sleep. I can use such a big punishment, but I don't want because I like you. That's why I have some affection. Actually, I have to make him to stand up on the dais with a single leg. He's not going there. So he will stop coming to the class, but he will not do that. Nothing will happen. Stand on that. Come on. It's my time waste. Read out. Read out this. Always. So text columns. Are you following the text columns? Text columns only. Now, which are repetitive. Repetitive. State. For all of them, Telangana people state. TS, TS, TS. For 8,000 times. But internal memory space has to take how many times? So whose data type is? That's all. Very good. Features like gender, country, codes are always repetitive. The India code plus 91 is a repetitive, right or not? Well, these are the examples for what? Right. Categorical variables can take only a limited, but usually fixed number of possible values. Crores of people are there, but whose crores of people belongs to some state or not? That state never take the memory space again and again when I go for which data type? Category data type. So this is advanced things we are discussing, students. You must keen of observation required. Now, beside the fixed length, categorical data might have an order, but cannot perform numerical operations. When I say TS, will you do the operations on TS? Will you do the operations on AP? Will you do the operations on Madhya Pradesh? No, that is only for data type specification to save the memory. And categorical or pandas data type. Categorical or a pandas data type. Categorical, TS, AP, MP, UP, like that. The categorical data type is useful in the following cases. Right. A string variable consisting of only few different values. States, 30 states or 28 states with crores of Indians. Is it categorical values or not? Converting such a string variable to a categorical variable will save the memory space. Got it? List of state names, comma, D type is equal to what? Category. Understand that? And list of district data type is category. List of one mandal. Under that, lot of villages will be there. Mandals are what? Category. Under that mandal, some number of 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs people will live. For all the people, I will write mandal every time. But whose mandal memory space will take how much memory space? One time. KVR faculty, X faculty, Y faculty, Z faculty, for all my 500 students, KVR, KVR, KVR if I write. But it takes a lot of time. But I will write KVR as a category of faculty. Right or not? Like that. Be perfect students. Next one is called what? You take an example of first rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank. Like that, I will give ranks or not. First, second, third. Assume that in my class, 3 categories of students are there. First, second, third. First, second, third. Only 3 categories. First, second, third. That are called what? Strings only. Not 1, 2, 3. Not 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is called what? Number related order. This is 1, 2, 3 is called what? Lexical order we can call. Spell out. Lexical order. Ascending order, descending order, lexical order. What is the lexical order? String related numbers representation is a very important. 1, 2, 3 is called what? Logical order, ascending order. 3, 2, 1 is called what? Descending order. 1, 2, 3 is called what? Lexical order. 3, 2, 1 is called what? Lexical order. The numbers I am giving in the form of what? Words. That is called what? Lexical order. Are you following? Arranging the alphabets in ascending order is called what? Lexical order. Did you understand that? Very good. Now, The lexical order of variable is not same as logical order. 1, 2, 3 is different and a lexical order is different. If such kind of categories are coming, I'll go for which category? Come on. Category data type. In my class, some of them are one category, some of them are two categories, some of them are three category. That is nothing but what? These categories I don't want to take every time. That is also called data type is category. By converting categorical and specifying the order of categories, sort and min max will use logical order instead of the logical order. I mean, you have seen earlier. What is an example I said? Data science. Next is called what? Java and Python. Is it by default following certain order or not? It is the default order. If you want, you can give your own order also. That is, you can mention category data. You also data category assignment also you can do it. I'm going to show you that example in the class. So by default, category values are sorted. If you want, you can convert into what? Sorting min and max will use logical order instead of what? Lexical order. I'll show you that. Don't worry. Object creation. How to create an object of what? Category. Now I'm going to say data type is category. Now I'm creating. Come on, speak out. Categorical object can be created in multiple ways. Here, categorical is a class. Category is the data type. Categorical is a class. It's an advanced concept. Need to listen carefully. The different ways have been described below. Category. Now I'm talking the data type first. By specifying the D type as a category in pandas object creation. As I shown you just example here. One more example I am taking. I will carry, read out that import pandas pd dot abca. What is the D type? Category. What is the value of this will be printed? Output as follows. Same data only printed. What is an order ma? ABC. Order is coming by default. Now I am going to show you. Now I am going to show you. In this place you come. There is no hurry at all. Try to understand first. Type of yes, I will say. It is going to give you that values. And a category is going to be taken as what? ABC. ABC. Any confusion? No. The output is shown below. The categories, three categories are there ABC, whose data is like this. Dear students, the number of elements passed to the series object is 4, but the categories are only 3. There are crores of people are there, but the categories are 3. Right or not? Yes. Observe the same in the output of categories also. Are you following me? Yes. Now I'm going to talk about object creation. Pandas dot categorical. Spell out. Categorical of. Category of no. Categorical of. Even when I was seeing that, I felt that int to int of, float to float of. Even myself also thought like that. But they did not gone like that. They went for what? Categorical. By using standard pandas categorical constructor, class name is called test. 6 o'clock students, don't feel tension because for you, oops was not completed. For other people, oops is completed in my batch. For other batch students, I don't know whether your oops completed or not. Class test. Inside of the test, def underscore init underscore of some self, and we are writing. This is called a constructor or not? Default constructor, parameterized constructor, etc. Now I am writing what test of t1 dot t1 is equal to test of 10 comma 20. Other students just to fill test of what? This is a parameterized constructor. Similarly, categorical constructor, we can creating an object. Pandas dot syntax I am writing, students. Syntax. Here I will add the word called what? Syntax. See that pandas dot categorical and your values India, Madhya Pradesh, that is sorry, MP, TS, AP, like that I am taking number of values. Categories. Which state is having first? First in economy or population, whatever the factor you consider, you will take it. Order is equal to, there are two values, true, order is equal to false. I'll tell you, these three are the parameters present in where? Categorical. What are these now? Category values and order to be followed. Order to be followed. Let us take an example. Import pandas as PD. PD dot categorical. What is this now passing? Values. First parameter. Slowly I am explaining. First parameter. What is it created? Category object. Print of what? Cat. Print of cat. Go to that and try to run this. Now go to this place. Keep it in the bracket. Keep it in the bracket and try to run. See, my dear students, what is an order by default? ABC. Category created or not? Categorical. ABC, ABC here. Even if I write here also A comma, and I will write here and C also I wrote it and try to run it once again. Also going to be same ABC only. Are you following me? Well, what is an order by default? That time what is an order? True. Ordered is what? True. Ordered is true. By default, what is the value of ordered? True. Take care. Now, next example, SEMA, pandas, categories. What is this now? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Now I am specifying what? Categories. The order I am specifying, CBA. ABC, no, CBA. I'm telling, don't treat in the alphabetical order. You treat my order of preference. What is that? C is assume that it is a one state. B is another state. A is another state. A is economically first. B is second economical highest. Third economically highest. Three economical zones I am creating. Each state, each thing, three economical zones. Come on here. I am printing that. What is happening now? In this place, be careful. In this case, C is there or not? The value of C belongs to which zone? C. The value of A belongs to this one. The value of B belongs to this one. And so A done, B done, A done, B done, C done. And D is not there in where? Category. That will be taken as what? NAN. Male, female, transgender. There is one more animal is there. We don't know. That is called what? Not recognizing. It is not a category of human being. Are you following that? So all fruits are there. All fruits are there. And fruit categories also you are specifying. Something is coming which is not a fruit, which is not a vegetable. What is that type? None. Are you getting? So the data which is present in the values which are present with me or belongs to which category? Either C category or B category or A category. If something is there which is not present here, it is not comes under the category. I mentioned my categories are this, but you mentioned some different value which is not in the category. Simple students. Here IT department, mechanical department, marketing department, only three departments are there in my company. There is one company is coming under what? Metallurgy engineer is coming, which is not there in my company. Is a valid employee, invalid employee? Is a NaN, not a number or not a valued value. Are you following me? Did you understand the meaning of specifying the categories here? Come on now. The output as follows. What is coming? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A, B, C. For last one, what is coming? NaN. NaN means what? This D is not under the specified categories. And it is coming in which order, ma? CBA. Earlier one is what? ABC. Now it is which one? CBA. Are you understanding? That means if the specified values are not present in the specified category, that type of non-specified category will be treated as what? None. So let me execute this part and I'll show you. I'll show you here. Let us go to the place and see this result. Here it is going to contain what? NaN. Clear? So this order, whatever order you have specified, in the same way that is going to come. Earlier it is coming in where? ABC like this. Now you are going to get it what? CBA, because I mentioned that, that only will be considered valid. And even though I mentioned A comma A and then 2 times, whose memory space created how many times? 1 time. B and then B, I specified how many times? 1 time only. C and then C, memory space created how many times? 1 time only. It won't create again and again. I think you are understanding this advantage. Very, very important advantage. Go to the next. Go to the next. Output as follows. Already you understand. Here description. Here the second argument signifies the categories. This one signifies the categories. See the syntax signifies the categories. Thus, any value which is not present in the categories, any value not present in the categories will be treated as what? Nan. Okay, now. Yes. Now look at, now take a look at the following example again. What is this now? Ordered is equal to what? True. That means don't mistaken by yourself. I specified the categories. What is happening? Import. Here I said category is equal to PD dot categories of A, B, C, etc. like that. Here I am mentioning CBA. Maintain the order in the same manner which categories I mentioned. This indicates, see that explanation also automatically that will be coming. C less than what? B, B less than what? A. That means who is a bigger here? I am giving A category people are first, B category people are second, and C category people are third. A category seats, B category seats, C category seats, counseling seats, management seats, NRI seats. Something like if you go to the division of the seats. So given the preference for what first? This is my order of filling. This is my order of filling. This order maintained as it is. What is this order? C less than B, C less than A. Don't think that ASCII value wise, Unicode value wise, C is a bigger and C is bigger than B, B is a bigger than A. Don't think like that. It is completely different. This is an order we are mentioning it. I hope you are following. Order is equal to true. In this case, category is mentioned. Now try to run this code. What is this value here? We are mentioning order parameter. Order parameter. Print of this category. Print of this category. Now see that C less than B. Less than what? A. That means A is the first, B is the second, and C is the last. I hope you are following, students. Well, go to the next. Be careful. The moment when you are entering further, little complexity is increasing. Output. Now done. Logically, the order means that A is greater than B and B is greater than C. This is called a logical arrangement here. Understand? Well, description. I want to go for some describe function I want to use today. Description of my data. Using describe function on categorical data, we get a similar output to a series or a data frame of typing string data. Example, this will be little confused. You will be having clarity here. What is the function name? Describe. Spell out. Okay. Let me go to that. Apply in a simple manner. Here only. Take that now. I'm going to take the function name called what? Describe. Spell out. Describe. Describe of. So try to write this. Now I'm going to take up. This is my series. Say type of what? Take this as something like what I'm saying now. Series of. What I'm taking now. Better you go for the first thing. This one you take it. This one you take it. Here I am writing. Better. First you start with this. This is my data, correct? Now I'm going to write it. One more data you add it. A. One more you add it. C. One more you add it. B. One more you add it. A. Like this you see. This is my data, students. Now I'm writing after that. After finishing that, now I'm writing describe function I'm going to give you. Describe function will give you yes dot. What is that now? describe of, describe of. When I'm specifying this AB, ABC, A comma something like that, any strings if I give it, it will give you some values. What is that? Number of unique values, the frequency of element, and what will be the top. Top means what? Which one is having highest frequency? And like that, I will be getting some type of values. I will be getting some type of values. Please take care, students. Now try to observe it. This is my series data. This is my category of data. And see that frequency description, information about the describe method. Information about describe method. Print of output of which function? Describe function. Output of describe function. What you are getting it. You try to observe it. See that. This is the series data as usual. Output of what? Print it. Print of what? Print of. Print of. Describe. Print of describe. Close. Yeah. Close. Now you see, students, what is coming here. Count. How many? 8. How many values are there? 8 values. 0 to 7 means what? 8. How many unique values? 3. The 3 values are called what? Category type. Next, top. Who is available on the top? So who is having highest frequency of repeating element? A. That is called a top. What is the frequency of the top element? 4 times. Are you following? This is called what function? Describe function. What is the describe function gives? Number of values, unique values among that, top value among that, frequency of top repeated element. This is what describe function. Very, very important concept. Everybody must follow it carefully. Now I'm going to enter into the further. Now observe it. After here, now I'm saying pandas coming to PD dot categorical. What I'm writing? ACC NP dot nan. Categories are what? BAC. BAC. That means these are my values. What are my categories? BAC. Do you have A here? Yes. Do you have C there? Yes. Since there is no B, no category is there. In future, B values may be coming across. Okay. Now I am converting into what is this cat here? Category object. Category object that I am converting into which type? Data frame. Be careful. What is the cat? What is the cat? Category object. Look at. I will take up this statement. Creating which object? Categorical object. Categorical object. So here I'm going to take up print of what? Cat. Type of what? Cat. Type of cat. So here I'm going to say, okay, of course. Import NumPy as NP. NumPy as NP. So you are going to get it. Category data printed. What is the type? Category is cat and it is printed here and it is printing this data. What is this class type? Categorical. Categorical. Now come to back. Cat. This you see here. PD dot data frame. What is this object I am passing here? Dictionary. I am passing what? Dictionary. Can I create a data frame with a dictionary or not? CAT. What is the CAT here? Is a key. Whose type is what? Category type. Category type. This is the question he got it. This is a question he got it recently. This is what I'm putting there. Category. What is the type? What is the value of it? Cat. What are the cat values? Cat values. ACC. Whose type? BSC. S is equal to one more key. What is this now? A, C, C, NP dot nan. NP dot nan. Here I did not specify any category for this. For this value, for this key, what are the values? These are the values. What are the categories? BAC. DF dot what? Describe. DF dot describe. Now I gave the beautiful answer also here. The moment when you say output for this line output is, here you see, cat S. I will adjust that and I will explain. Don't worry. There is no hurry at all. Since try to understand carefully. So here I am going to say, so coming to this place, now here I am going to say, what is this now? Cat is a key. Already you know these are treated as a columns. Count. What is the category type? What is the category type? Come on. BAC. How many values are there here? 3 values. Count will count only what? Non-nan values. Non in the DF, what is available? Yes also will be there or not? Yes, how many values are there? 3 values. And one of the key is called category value. One more is called what? List value. Next, unique. Unique. In this cat key, categorical type, how many unique values are there? 2 unique values are there. In yes also, how many unique values are there? 2. In the top of that, in the top of category, what is the top element? C. In this place also, what is the top category? C. In the frequency, since unique elements are what? C. Top category, C. C is coming how many times? 2 times. Here C coming how many times? 2 times. Today, without telling also, I can say I will go to another topic, but this is asking these days. That's why I want to tell you, let us learn all new concepts. That will be giving good knowledge for you. I hope any confusion here. What is the cat? Key. What is the value? Category. What is the category? BSc. What are the values you have? Yes. How many values are there? This many category values. How many? 3. 3 are coming. Are you following? Next. I am going to write this one. DF of cat. First, ఇది చూపిస్తాను మీకు. First, let me carry this. Up to here, I will carry. This I will carry. No hurry at all. No hurry at all. So carefully try to follow. Yes dot describe. Yes dot describe. Try to follow this. Print off. Print off. Print off. Try to run now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So here I'll take up. This is my data. Under cat, this values. Under yes, these values. Now, this is the same strategy. I will go for, in this case, now I am saying what you know. In DF print session, only DF I am printing. Only DF. Is it printing DF data frame or not? What is this now, students? Cat. Cat is a column or not? Yes, is a column or not? Under cat, what are the values? ACC. That are fetched from where? Category type. ACC. Yes. Under yes, what are the values? ACC. ACC. And also gives you what? Nan and nan. Because it is not a count now. It is giving. Okay. Now I want to print what? Only category data. Cat only I want to take. How do you take it? How do you take it? According to your dictionary. If I pass the key, I will get that value or not? Today, DF you printed. Come on now. I will print a DF of your cat. What is this cat? Key. Key. You are passing cat. You are passing cat. What is this cat? Is called key. And you are passing, which is nothing but what? Series data or not? A particular column of data frame is called what? Series. You execute. Data frame data. This is called a print of what? Data frame data. Data frame data. What about this? A column of data frame. A column of what? Data frame. A column of data frame. Data frame. is called which data? Series data. Series data. Now I'm printing series data. See that now? A data frame data. In that, what I'm getting? This one I'm taking. A column of series. What is that? Series. Now I'm printing what data? This data. Cat related column I want to get it. Getting or not? So go to the place. Which column I am taking? Which column I am taking? Cat related column I am taking. Cat related column I am taking. I hope you are getting it. This data only I am printing separately. Now I want to print for that category one series object I want to print. How do I get it now? Come on. df of, come on, cat. df of cat is called what? Series. df of that, comma what? Type of what? df of cat. What is the type? Series. What is that? One more bracket on. df of cat. Type of df of cat. Yes. See that it is called what? df of cat. Type of is called what? Series. That series description I want. That series description I want. How do I get it? Print of df of cat. Cat dot what? Describe of. Describe of will give you what? Same as this result only. This result only will come. This part only will come. This portion only will come. Are you getting? Yes. So observe it. What is coming? 3, 2, 1. Like this it is going to come. Are you okay, students? So the overall picture is, if you follow me, I will copy this entire thing. This part I will carry this data, and here earlier one I got it. This complete description plus one column description also I would like to place it. This is the one I set, plus this data also I want to get it. This data also I want to get it. This is what I am interested in to place. This is called total description of the data frame plus a column of the description I am going to get it. This is called like this. This is called a simple column of that. Which column I am taking? Which column I am taking? I will carry this. This part. This part I will write it. I hope I am not confusing you. Confusing or? Cat related data I am going to get it. This is what you are getting it. Comfortable? Huh? So I mean to say how to use this cat data type to the dictionary level. 10 colon Python or 10 colon 1.2, that is in front of us looking very small now. We are almost entering into which category? Category data type. Category data type main essence is to minimize the memory space. Done. Go to back. Go to my documentation. df.describe. df.describe. And you got this. And similar to that, name of the column is cat. And who's this? Online students, I hope you are comfortable, not getting any confused in this. Let us enter into the further. Get the properties of category. Now with that I can stop. But why to stop? Let us learn everything. Let us move. Get the properties of each category. Category properties. Category is what? Class. D type is equal to int. D type is equal to float. D type is equal to bool. D type is equal to str. They are called what? Classes. What is the category also? Yes. Now, DOB the property. I am going to take property. Attribute I am going to introduce. Get the properties of category. Complex object. Look at complex object. A is equal to what? 2 plus 3j. What is the property for getting real? A dot real. What is the property for getting imaginary? A dot imag. My query is executed and bringing the result of DML query. What is that now? Cursor dot what? Row count. Row count is a property of cursor object. IMAG real or called what properties? Getting or not? Come on. Even in multi-threading, T dot name. T dot name is nothing but is equal to value, setting the value. T dot name printing is called get name, setters and getters, easy, multi-threading level. Get the property of category. Obj dot cat. Cat is one attribute. Dot what? Categories. Command is used to get categories of the object. You hold on, don't get immediate attention. Now start. Today I'm introducing cat. What is a cat? Property. Which property? Category object property. Pandas.pd, numpy.np, pd.categorical. What is this ACC, NP, etc.? Values. Whose categories are what? BAC. Is my, okay, ma. Is my values are present in the category? Is this values are belongs to this category? Yes. Suppose if I write comma K, what is that is called? None. You know why it is none? Not belongs to? Right. Simple. This is called number of school students. Number of school students. Category is equal to blue group, yellow group, and red group. And here one black group is there. Black in dress. Are they belongs to the same school? So they are called what? Not belongs to the school. None. So number of students wearing the group of school dress, and this is your categorizing the grouping dresses. Yes dot what? Categories. What is shown? Come on, how many categories are there? UB. That U stands for what? Representing the group. Like our, when you go to regular expressions and everything was completed in my class, there is a, you are writing R stands for raw. Raw. I will explain to other students, 6 o'clock batch people. For all people, it is completed. When you write RE dot what? RE dot what? Find all, find ITER. What are you saying? R, double quotes. You are writing backslash N. What that R stands for? Raw. Treat backslash N as N only. Suppose you don't want a R, write what? Double slashes. Like a package folder we are writing now, like that. See, when we come to higher stages now, you have to understand quickly. What is this category now? B. What is this U stands for? Uni. Uni means what? Unique group. Unique group. UB and B unique group, A unique group, and C unique group. Based on the order you specified, in the same order, index of that will be mentioned here. D type is equal to what? Object. OBJ dot ordered command is used to get the order of the object. Order of the object. Come on to the point back. I did not mention the order here. Did I mention the order here? No. I want to get the ordered. Import pd.categories acc np.nan. Category is equal to this one. I did not mention the ordered. I already said in the class, if I did not mention the order, it is taken as what? False. So cat dot what? Order. What is this cat? Object name. Dot ordered. What is the answer is coming? False. By default, it is false. Now I will go to what? The function returned false because we haven't specified any order. If you specify what? True, you will be getting the answer is what? True. And there is no meaning of order and need not to worry about it. Least bother about the order. But I just mentioned because in our syntax, I am having what here? Order, something where it is syntax. Syntax, ordered, categories, values. That's why I'm talking about this point. I hope you are getting it. So I hope you are following me. No more confusions. Right. Renaming categories. I am renaming the categories. Look at. Renaming categories are done by assigning new values to the series. Dot what? To the series. How do you add it? Cat dot what? Categories. So import pandas as PD. S is equal to, this is my data. What is the D type? Category. And a little, what is this concept? Look at this side. Comprehension. Which comprehension? List comprehension. Totally everything we are going to get it under category. Yes dot cat is the property. Under that what? Categories. What are the categories I am assigning? Get it. Group. I am writing one fixed name group. Percentage yes. What is that percentage is already discussed? Format specifier representing str. What is that? For here I am writing G. For G in where? Yes dot cat dot categories. What are the categories here? A, B, C, A. A, B, C, A. In this place, what will be coming? First, you take this now. 1 minute. First, you take this now. I want to print it. Print of what? Yes dot what? You take this part. You take this part. Print it now. What are the categories, ma? Come on. Now, how do you print this data? Slowly. Slowly, I will tell you. Come on. For G in yes dot categories. What are the values are there? A, B, C. What is the value here? G. Print of what here? G. And you write what? Indentation. What are the values are printed? A, B, C. It's like looking like a list or not? Okay. Now one more thing is what? X is equal to comprehension. What is that one? Actually, how you are writing, student? For G in S dot categories. What is that now? Earlier, how you used to write it? STR of what? G. We used to write like this or not? But today, I am saying in place of that, I want to take up something like group. Group, that is the name I want. Percentage of what? Yes. And a group A, group B, group C, I want to prepare. Group A, group B, group C, I want to prepare. Percent of S. What should I substitute for percentage of S? Come on. Percentage G. Whenever I specify format specifier, you have to use percentage, no? Right. Come on, now read out. For G in S dot categories, what is the value coming? Percentage. That is concatenated with what? Yes. Everything kept in where? X. X will contain what? Group A, Group B, Group C. Group C. Print of what? Print of what? X. Print of X. Group A, Group B, Group C. Group A, Group B, Group C. Group A, Group B, Group C. Now I am writing what here? Upper of what? G. G upper of G na? G dot upper of. Yes. G dot upper of. What is it? G dot upper of doing? Come on. Yes, I say. Group A, Group B, Group C. Group A, Group B, Group C. Are you following? If you want to print line by line, what you will do? What you will do? What you will do? For value in this beautiful answer, I will write it. This beautiful answer, I will write it. What a beautiful subject. What a beautiful subject. So, print of what? Value. Print of value. Group A, Group B, Group C. And a for loop with a comprehension. Because of that, what is coming? List of values. From the list of values, I want to print one by one. Easy. Today, you now see. I just decomposed small by piece. I gave a watermelon. I said, eat. You said, sir, not possible, sir. Immediately, I took it. I only cut it, put it in the bowl, put the pepper on that, and put a fork in that, and giving. Still, you are unable to eat. Now I have to take you forcibly. I have to call 4 people, 2 legs out of 2 hands like that, and putting one by one like that. See, students, how simple it is. Now, come on now, students. Come on, take it. Yes dot category you have seen, na? What are the categories? Even though there are many, I am taking 3 categories. What is that now? For G in S dot categories, what is the value coming first? A. That I am concatenating to group A. Now I am printing. Output is coming what? Group A, Group B, Group C, like that. What is the type? Object that you try to execute. Now I am saying here, this is the value I am saying. Now, since I am using what happens? So what is the problem there? Here you are having property category, categorical object has no setter. So here S is equal to D type. So here, what is the value there? D type category, ABC, group A for G, S dot cat of categories. So group A, group B, group C, maybe that is coming because of, you don't worry about it. Let me take up new thing. Import, try to run this. The categories of categorical object has no setter. S dot categories and S dot categories. What are the value is coming over there? Go to that place. Here it is printed. PD dot this data is coming. S dot this ABC coming. Okay. S dot categories. S dot percentage. Yes. Percentage G now. G space. Yes. So, మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది అయితే మీకు. For G in S dot categories, and it is saying that property categories of categorical object has no setter. It is giving that cannot be assigned, it is saying. So, now I am writing. Now I will take 1 minute, students. PD dot has no setter, it is saying. S dot categories, percentage yes. You take some X, and type of X you print. Why to bother about that? Leave it. Leave that. Take the value X. What is the type of X? Categories. What is the answer? Group A, Group B, Group C. Why to bother about it? Directly take it. Are you following that? So this is going to be called what? Categories are printed. Group A, Group B, Group C is printed. Are you able to follow? Now, don't worry about that. Now I'm going to take it directly here. I am taking X. X I am printing here. Now X is printed. The output is what is printed? What is the output printed? Group of Group A, Group B, Group C, etc. printed. What is the type? Categorical. Right? Leave that. Coming to the next. Initial categories are what here? ABC. Updated by going for what? This property. Least bother about this property. Appending new categories. I got it. No need to worry about it. I got directly yes. Yes type is what? Categorical. I got it. Nothing to bother about it. Go to the place. Now I'm going to say appending new categories. How to append the new categories? Using Categorical dot add dot what? Categories method. Categories function. New categories can be appended. Come on, fast. What is this now? Yes. A, B, C, A. D type is equal to what? Category. Hence, S is ready to take new category. What is the S dot? S dot. Cat dot. What is this? Add categories. What is S? Series object. Under that, what is a cat? Object of category. Categorical. Dot what? Add categories. What is the category value? 4. S dot cat of what? Categories. How many categories are there? A, B, C, and what? 4 is coming. Are you following me? So this is called what, adding categories to the existing. Adding categories to the existing. Here I am saying how to add the new categories. I hope you are following me. What are the categories? Line number 2. Yes, this is also comment. That is a line. So print this data. What is the category added? 4. What is S? Series object. In the series object, what is cat? Categorical object. In that, what is the function name? Yes. What is S? Series object. In series, what is cat? Categorical object. What is the category? Add categories of function in categorical class. Now I say yes dot to the series cat object. Add this series. Now you are getting the new category called what? 4. Getting or not? Yes dot what? Yes dot what? Describe. Yes dot what? Describe. What is the describe? Come on, count how many? 4. 4. Unique. 3. 3. What are the 3? A, B, C, A. And B, C, A, and then 1, 4. Unique how many? A, B, C, A is there and 1, 4. A, B, C, 3. And then we got it. Are you following that? Now, go to the next. Come on, next. Top is called 3. Next frequency is called what? 2. What is an object? Right. Are you able to follow? Now, unique 4, yes. Unique 4 need to get it. Three only correct. Yes dot describe. 1 minute more. Add category. Count 4. Unique. I think index. 1 minute. 1 minute. It is supposed to give how many here? It is giving the values from original. It is giving the data from original place. It is taking 4th category is not there in the series. That's okay. From the series place, this is not taking here what? 1 minute, ma. 1 minute, you wait. 1 minute, you wait. I'll just do one small thing. Wait, ma. 1 minute, you wait. I'll check it out here. Comma what? 4 I will add it. 4 I will add it. Yes dot categories. This will be coming. And say what now? Yes dot describe you say. Yes dot describe you say once. So it is going to give you 4. So count of how many? Now it is coming. So it is always giving what? Original one. Original one only it is giving. I hope it is clear for you. It is giving original series object. If you want that also to be taken as a permanent series category, you type it. Why? Because I added the type as what? Category type. I hope you are getting me. Now move forward. Next, the output as follows like this. Removing the categories. How do you remove the categories? Using categorical dot remove underscore what? Categories function. Unwanted categories can be removed. Come on. Yes, a dot. PD dot what? Series. A, B, C, A. D type is equal to what? Category. Original object you are printing. After removal, what are you doing? After removal, come on, directly printing. What is that? Yes, a dot. series object, under that category object, dot what? Remove of category. Which category? A you will remove. When you remove A, what will happen? Original object printed. Original object as it is printed. When you remove that, after removal, what is happening? From the category you are removing A, what will be the category left out? BC only. When A is not there, what is the value of A and A? None. And what is available now? BC. Are you following that? So take care. And here I am taking this output. I will show you how to add the categories, how to remove the categories. This example will make you to understand removing categories. So here, only for one thing, what will be the category and categorical? This is the category available here, and the categories are A, B, C. After removal the category A, and you are getting what? Nan and nan removed from the category, and B and C left out. B and C is over. Earlier three categories, one category removed or not? Yes. This is about removal the category, adding the category, removing the category. Next is called what? Comparison of what data? Categorical data. When this comparison is required, I just set some conditions here. Comparing categorical data with other objects is possible in three cases. What are the three cases? Be careful. Number one, comparing equality. Number one with what? Double equal to, and one more is not equal to. Like list like objects, series, list, ND arrays of what length? Same length in where? Categorical data. Two series of values, another two series of values. What will be there? Same length must be there. Following? Next example also I'll give you. All comparisons, double equal to, not equal to, all sorts of things, categorical data with another categorical data with ordered is equal to what? True. And odd categories are what? Same type. Same type. All comparisons of categorical data must be scalar. Scalar means what? Single value. Let me take example here. All these things, let me put it in the example. Take a look at the following example. Pandas has PD dot series of 1, 2, 3. Take care. What is this now? List. Be careful. 1, 2, 3. Dot. What is this 1, 2, 3 here? What is this 1, 2, 3 here? Converted into what type? Series type. And already we learned one function called what? As type. As type you learned. Where? NP level only. Int 16 to int 8. Int 30 to what? Int 16. Int 16 to int 8. For typecasting of one column of values to what? Another column of values. As a type. Which type you are converting? Category, comma. Categories are what? 1, 2, 3. The same thing. And what is the ordered? True. Next, 2, 2, 2. As type is what? Another category 2. What is the order here? 1, 2, 3. But here I have only two category only. 1, 2, 1 and 3 may be coming in the future. Order is equal to what? True. Now compare. Cat greater than cat 1. You take it as cat 1 and you take it as a cat 2. Cat 2. Cat 1 greater than what? Cat 2. Compare now. What is happening? This is a same equal length. Ordered is equal to true. Cat 1, cat 2. How they are comparing? 1 greater than 2. 2 greater than 2. 3 greater than 2. True. Are you following me? Just I took it. Comparison of the data also I am taking it. This is called one more type of comparison of values. So this type of things are most useful. When somebody asks you comparison of these values, you'll come across. Categories. Where is that? As a type got unexpected keyword argument. Categories. As a type. D type is equal to, I will try to write it. D type. Go to this place. D type is equal to category. Categories is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here I will write a D type is equal to category. and cat1 greater than cat2 series as a type got unexpected keyword argument categories is equal to categorical 1, 2, 3 as a type. Where is this? Converted this series object into category type. Categories is equal to 1, 2, 3. Cat1 is equal to ordered is equal to series object. Unexpected keyword argument help of pd dot series dot as type. So as type parameter is what you know d type copy, and the next is data frame d type copy error and nd array type as type d type is equal to okay category that you need not to write it. It's a positional argument treated. The positional argument treated. Next is called categories. Categories is nothing but here. Follow me. None is equal to errors is equal to raise is equal to and nd frame. Nd frame is nothing but here categories only mentioned. 1 minute. Close it as type. Type error. This gives you unordered categoricals can compare equality or not. So I need this categorical values equality I need to specify. Here I must specify comma categorical is equal to series object no values series object dot values of category. Just a minute. print of cat, silent students, type of cat1. So it's a category 1, 2, 3. Next I will go to category 2. Also going to be 2. D type is, here it is 2, 2, 2, I will take it. 2, 2, 2, I will take it. Category 2. There is only 2. So here the point is category 1 greater than category 2. So it is giving you the value here, something like equality or not. So here I will take it. For example, 1, 2, 3, if I take it, 1, 2, 3, category 1, it is also going to give you. Okay, students, just give me one time because something is missing here. As type, something is missing. I'll look into the next class. Okay, now this you don't worry about it. Don't consider that. Up to that, you try to understand. In next class, I will correct this point. This, I'll correct it and I'll move further. So this answers you don't consider. Up to what I said, you practice on that. Don't make noise. Okay. This parts, look at. Hello. A black t-shirt, stand up. Listen the class. Black t-shirt, stand up. Listen the class. When error is coming, you have to try to understand. By speaking to something, what will come? Actually, I need not to tell you everything. I can move to my next chapter. Sit down. So tomorrow class, I'll just look into that. Something is missing, that bracket or some parameters are missing. I'll adjust it and I will come to that. So I'll come to that. Satya Gopal, ILOC and all, that is my today's what I want to tell, that only, because it's a new feature I was trying to introduce in the class. Almost everything over, but last comparison of that greater than equal to that cases, special cases I want to tell you. That ILOC, LOC, I will come in tomorrow class. Okay, now don't miss it. Tomorrow class, I'll go for it. And today evening, 4 p.m., new Python full stack batch is starting. Any friends are there? Intimate. Thank you. All the best. Students in online. Priyadarshini Das.
Hello.
Tell me, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Morning.
actually, I'm having doubt on the top value. We are calculating the which value is available in the top. Am I correct?
What is
So
that?
there is A, B, C. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, it's breaking in middle.
Okay. Is it better now, sir?
No. Okay. Tell me.
Yeah. Sir, how the top value is calculating? Like when we are describing that count of and frequencies coming up.
Now you ask
Uh,
your doubt properly. You're breaking, you are asking. What is your doubt properly? Tell me in short, you tell me.
yeah, sir. Actually, the top. There is when we are describing the value, we are getting the count, top, and frequency. Am I correct? So which the value is on the top. Suppose if there is A, C, C, so the top value should come A. Am I correct, sir?
ACC, how many number of values C is containing?
C is containing two times, and
What is the top number of elements frequently repeated?
frequency will be 2 and top will be C, sir.
That only, na? That only I said.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it.
Next, Shohel.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Yeah, sir, regarding the packages, have you started in the 7 a.m. batch, sir?
7 a.m. batch, no, my 7 a.m. batch operators are going on.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Right. Hindusha. Hindusha.
Good morning, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, if we have any interview questions, do you have any mail ID, sir?
No, my
If
interview,
we,
all the notes, my notes has to read everything completely. No interview based questions. They don't have any proper interview. Same questions will be coming in all the places. There is no such a guarantee. You have to read my complete note so that you can answer everything.
okay, sir. If we take any interviews, if we come across any new questions,
Hmm.
so if we want to communicate to you regarding those questions, sir.
I give my mobile number na, in the classes.
Sir, I am in other batch student, sir, so that's why I don't have your mobile
Okay,
number,
I
sir.
will give my mobile number when I come to the ending of this sessions. I'll give my number to you. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Raghuram. Raghuram.
Yes. So, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, there is a small issue regarding the notes, sir. When we try to scroll through the horizontal bar, when you're posting the notes in the PDF format, right, sir?
Mm.
On the IPython notes, sir. So, the when we are unable to scroll through the horizontal axis, sir.
Which one?
PDF.
PDF.
Yes, sir. PDF in the we are unable to read the end of those end of the shell, sir.
Okay. So I hope majority of the time, I think scroll bars will not be there. I think so, my dear student.
Yes, sir.
Majority of the times, only
Yes,
one
sir.
or two times may be there. I hope so. That time I
Yes.
used to give the notes in the documentation part. I hope so. In this like this. I'm
Uh,
sending documentation also. I hope, na Raghuram.
Yes, sir. You're sending, sir. Just, I mean, you're posting couple of comments, right, sir?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
comments are running through the end, sir, but we cannot scroll through the end, sir. That's the small.
Okay. Okay, ma. That next time, I hope you will understand. I hope so. But that you will understand. I hope so. Correct.
Yes, yes, sir.
So next time, if such things are coming, I will just bring it to next line. Next line, I will
Oh,
bring it.
okay, okay. Thank
So
you.
good recommendation. I'll do. I'll take care next. Okay, na? Pravanti, evening, I will give you the link for downloading Oracle. Compulsory, I got a new link. A link I got it. I will tell you the link in the class. Evening batch students, I will tell you in the class. Anything else, students? Okay, students, take care and don't miss next class. Very important. We'll go for the new important discussion in the class. Thank you. All the best.